girls, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Cowart's Journey and welcome to my journey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply Shébé powder. Now you may be asking, what is Shébé? Why do I need it? Who is it for? Well, Shébé powder is a mixture of herbs that started in Africa and to specify the Chahedian tribe. Shébé powder is known to help the retention in one's hair, especially for us women who are trying to grow out our hair. But not only that, it also aids in the shine and the overall health of one's hair and the scalp. Though it originated in Africa with the Chahedians, anyone can use this to help with their hair. Strengthen the hair, shine of the hair, scalp, and the follicles. Why not use the Shébé powder? So let's get right into this mixture. So for my moisture, I'm going to be using the Cantu. You all know that I love Cantu. I'm also going to be using my jojoba oil, which also has a mix of the Shébé powder, but also I'm going to be sprinkling more Shébé powder directly onto my hair. Now, if you do not want the Shébé powder to be showing on your hair strands, then you can use less Shébé. But for me, I don't necessarily care because all I do is tuck my hair away after I'm done braiding it up. So I've been using Shébé powder off and on for over a year and I love the results. What I do is I use the Shébé powder and my mixture of oil and my moisture every other day to make sure that I'm keeping my hair moisturized as well as making sure that I'm retaining the length. So this is what my hair looks like once I'm done taking down my braids. It still feels moisturized, but like I said, I'm out in the sun a lot and I just want to make sure that I'm maintaining my moisture, and then I'm sealing it up with an oil that has all of my great herb ingredients. So I love the consistency of the Cantu. It has a thick consistency where I can definitely tell that my hair is getting coated with the moisture. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my packet. I'm going to sprinkle some onto a plate so you're able to see. So I section off a part of my hair, and you can use as much moisturizer that you need on your hair. So once this is moisturized, I then go ahead and I shake up my Shébé oil. This has black castor oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, all types of mixture of oil. So I pour some in the top. You may think that this may be ghetto, but I'm just letting y'all know this is what works for me. It has all of my good, let me show you, all of my good oils. See all of that? You can see the Shébé powder. I love it. So keeping this section separated from the rest of my hair, I then place my hands into the top of my Cantu and I focus again on the ends of my hair and work my way up. And again, just massaging that product all on my hair. Like, I love the Shébé. It really does work. I've done a video, I want to say like last year I did the video, just how much hair I was able to retain. It's ridiculous. Then what I do is I go back in on the plate where the dry herbs are of the Shébé, dip a little bit more of oil, and then I rub that directly onto my hair. The reason I do that is because I find that it gives me more of the herbs than what is releasing from the oils itself. And this is what the hair looks like. And like I said, you may see some flakes. You can use less Shébé if you want to, or you can just place the Shébé powder into the oil and you won't get as much flakes as I'm getting now. But again, like I said, I don't mind. I put my hair up anyways. And I do this again, just repeating every other day, or if I feel like my hair is still moisturized, then I'll go ahead and just leave it and then follow up maybe the next day. Remember, ladies, that your ends are the oldest part of your hair, so you have to make sure that you're maintaining those ends. So I'm going to focus again, giving my hair that TLCC. I wish you all could feel how soft my hair is. Now I want to make mention that I am high porosity. If you don't already know, I am a high porosity relaxed gal. So I know that there are certain products that work for me and certain products that don't. The oils, my hair love. The Shébé powder, it is known to be good for any hair type. I will link down where I actually brought my Shébé powder from if you're interested in that. And then you can go from there as far as just trying that out. That's what it looks like. I just rub the remaining product onto the top of my head. Shébé powder is also known to be like an alkaline, so it actually brings the pH balance back into the hair, and it also is known to be a moisturizer. Okay, so this side is done and I'm moving along to the next side. And I love the fact that I can put 100% natural herbs directly onto my hair. You can blend this in your oils, like I said. You could put it in your hair mask, which I did a video, check it out here. You can do it as a moisturizing seal, also putting it in the oils. So you can use the Shébé oil in many different ways to help with your hair. This is how I apply the Shébé powder directly onto my hair strands. Alright, shaking up my mixture of herbs and oils and placing that onto my top. I like to do it this way just because I can feel how much oil I'm getting. I'm going to place that directly onto my hair strands, smoothing that onto my hair strands. As I'm doing this, like kind of pulling on my hair, I'm pulling any shedded hair that I have as well. This has definitely helped with the breakage problem that I was having. I've just been doing this and I've been experiencing lace breakage. So this is what my hair looks like after it's been moisturized and then sealed with the Shébé oil herbs. And it does help with moisturizing, it does help with fungus, it does help to bring the pH balance into the hair, it does help with retention. It has a plethora of different things that it does.
Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video.
If you all are looking for another method that you are doing or want to see on my channel, definitely let me know. Put it down in the comment section below. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already subscribed. Like this video, turn on your notifications because your girl has plenty more videos that I want to show you of DIYs as well as any reviews that I may have coming up. Definitely comment down below, notifications turned on. I'll see you dolls later. Bye!